I never used interfaces before my latest project, but in this video I'm going to show you why they're useful. In my scene I have two objects, a ball and a door. I can interact with both, but each one has different logic. I fire a raycast for my player so that I can identify different objects and set up an if statement so that I can check their tags and perform the logic based on that item's tag. This works and it's great when there's only one or two objects, but what if I have 50 objects in the scene that need different behaviors? I'd have an if-else statement that's as long as my failed game dev career. Instead, we can decouple this logic by using interfaces. First, I create an interface called iInteractable and add a method called interact. Then, I create separate scripts for each object I want to interact with and implement the iInteractable interface. Each method declared in the interface needs to then be implemented in order for the interface to work. In my case, this is the interact method. From here, I can then use this method to apply our functionality on each object, and instead of that nasty if statement we had in the player script, we can simply use the raycast to check if an item implements the interface and call the interact method. Pretty cool.